Artlist.io.
Hello. Gonna switch.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, let's start. hmm Okay.
Artlist.io.
So let's start. Yeah, testing. Okay, everything's good. So, but today we have to build a Reddit application. This Reddit application must be okay. 1 second, because we want the noise reduction activated. 1 second. Yes, noise cancellation is not working. 1 second. Okay. I believe that's working. Testing. For some reason, it's not really working. Just let me move this camera close to me. That's it. That's better. Okay, let's start. Oh, I see. We created an application time ago called AI Meditation Sounds. It is really great. You can give a try. Okay, let me put this here. So let's start. Okay, I have here a silly challenge. Use Reddit developers platform with Bolt to bring your worst ideas to Reddit in front of a game. So I have been thinking on this all day, literally all day. So I have a really interesting idea. I like it. It is called. Wait, please. I can remember. Don't click me. Don't don't click me. Game. Don't click me. Let's create a game called Don't Click Me. If the user clicks, the username will be added to a um, full of shame. Uh, full of shame. No, I'm not sure if that's the words, but um, well, full of shame. Uh, if possible, take a photo. No, that won't happen. Okay, Misty, Misty, Misty. I have two cats. They are currently playing. I don't like how they are playing right now, so that's what I'm saying. Misty. Misty is her name. Misty, Misty, Misty. Okay, she left. And baby's going through her. Okay. What the one rule? Don't click the button. Guess what? Everyone does. Giant red button labeled "Don't click me." Um. Okay. Public. Public. Um. Okay. This is good, but mm-hmm. Ready all out for username detection. Deploy and nullify. Store users in Supabase or Firebase. Okay, it's possible to. Huh. I mean, the idea is cool, but there is something that I'm missing. I would like taking a screenshot, take a photo, publish a message, like something weird. But let's start with a simple idea. Just create a prompt for bolt.new. Um, okay, let's do it. Okay, I want to play sounds very flash sim images or anything if the user clicks on it. Yeah, cows. Okay, I'm gonna copy paste this, make some changes, don't click me. Okay. But I remember there is like a template. Well, the new template ready. Mm-hmm. Okay, here is it. Latest version. Okay, allows to build games and apps. Doki Dash. Okay, this is the Bolt starter kit. Experiment starter explorer explores a new way to build applications. Let me see what is this. Okay.
My work is easy because I use ClickUp.
Sorry.
Here's how I keep track of all my tasks. I start by brain dumping everything I need to get done in a list.
This video demonstrates this is expected. It is because
Okay.
in the README file and wait for Bolt to import your use before you start. The first step is to run npm run login in Bolt's terminal, and this will
Okay. Let's follow the instructions. So we have the repo. We have to click on open in Bolt. Let's close this one. Move this one to here. Importing the project. Okay. Okay, so we're following the instructions of the repo. It's taking a little bit. Let's see code terminal. So let's go back to the instructions. So we have here some instructions like
open a
npm
link
run login.
prompting you to allow app
Yes.
access, and will
Okay.
give you a code that you then have to paste back into the Bolt's terminal.
Okay. We have to open the auth, copy paste.
Once that is done, your login should be completed.
I'm not sure if I should be streaming this part of the process. I mean, with using my key, maybe not.
Next step is the app setup.
Okay.
You run npm
Then we have to
run
run
dev
npm run
in Bolt's terminal, and
not sure
that
what
will
is
again
this
give
command.
you it will ask you for some steps like
We
your
just
app
have to
name,
wait. Pick a
is
name
there
for your
app
app.
NSFW or
Is
not.
the app
Then it will give you another link where you have to go through
NSFW?
captcha verification. After you click the
Then
I'm
we
not a
have to
robot
click
button,
on
you get another token and you paste it into Bolt's terminal once again. Press enter,
press enter.
and
I know you can
that's
hear.
it. Your app account is set up, and now you
Okay. Okay, great. So npm run login. Okay, just 1 second. Allow.
Artlist.io.
Okay, so I just paste the link with my token. Then what is next?
terminal. Your login should be completed.
Run debit init. Okay, don't click me. Don't click me. App. Wait. No. Okay, let's open this. If you want to meet my beautiful cat. This is Misty. Hello, Misty. You want to be here with us? Ven, let's approve motorcycles. Copy paste. Okay. This looks like my application. Okay, interesting. This is not complex at all. Hmm. I have never tried this before, so not sure how to use it. Let me ask how to use already just created as developer. How to test? I don't think this is correct. Let me check. Okay, playtest subreddit. For this step, you will go to a Reddit, create an empty subreddit. You can do create a community. Once you create the community, okay, that's they can block me honestly, but let's try it. Okay, create a community. Let's call Don't Click Me. Next, anime and cosplay. Sure. Public. Okay. Then I saw paste the name. Okay. Once you create a community, paste the name of your subreddit into the package. Okay. Let's go to the package. Here is the your subreddit name, and let's replace it with Don't Click Me. Save. Let's see what's next. Okay, run dev again. You have some logs. Looks like this is happening right now. Okay, that's it. What is next? Okay, once the initial configuration is done, you can test your application by navigating to your test subreddit, clicking on the three dots on the top right, and create a new post. The command will be called bold word guesser new post. Once you create a new post, you can go back and forth with bold by prompting your way to making your app. Okay, so limitations, only test in your subreddit. Okay, that's okay. Use Reddit's backend. Okay, there is like a Reddit's database of key value type storage. You are not going to be able to use other tools such as Supabase for the backend. Okay, that's really important to know. This is experimental, while David team is working to make it is possible to use both for authoring Reddit apps. This is still on experimental. So yes, everything here is experimental. So let's create a post. Um, I guess like this. Hmm, what is this? Approve. Let me see if I have any logs. Upgrade required. Oh, okay, wait. I believe I shouldn't. Okay, I believe I have to wait for the building process. Yes, upload a new version. Okay, okay, okay. Let's click here. Don't click me, play test. Don't click me app. Don't click me. What I'm doing. Huh, I saw something. Um, I'm gonna click again because I'm not sure what I'm doing. We have the playtest. Don't click me app, but should I see something right now? Bailey? Bailey? Sorry, sorry. Um, okay. Hmm. Oh, here, right. Three dots. I never click on the three dots. So yeah, the three dots at top right. Sorry, guys. Okay, click on new post. Okay, loading. Now we have the game. Launch app. Word guesser. Um, enter. Not a word in the list. Okay, let me go through here. I have never checked this code. I first want to understand what we have. Okay, we have game. We have title, extract subreddit name. See if the command see if the command is not playtest and the URL is playtest. Playtest, don't click me with the name of the app. Okay, I got it. Playtest if it is. Okay, banner. Please visit game. So we have the game here. Show banner, blah 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 blah. On key, this is related to the game. Index, this is experimental. This is not related. Keyword, this is the component of the keyword. What is debit? Cannot use without ability to pass in metadata. Okay, this is the name of the game in the three dots menu. Let me search more reference of this. We just have this reference, so um, I gonna keep bold. Don't click me. Do not click me. um, Label, add menu. Remove this when defines before post creation. Title of the guest you will want to update. Whoa, honestly, this is not like a very simple to be the first time you really have need to have some experience on Reddit, but that's okay. Let's keep going. So, bold. I need to test everything again. So, oh no, sorry. So don't click me. I see. The post itself is the game. So you can even ping this. Oh, I don't see a way to ping, but I was guessing that you can ping the app and keep it on the top. Okay. Okay, so I just exploring Workgether. Let me see where is this reference. Okay, this is commented. This is this is the title. This is the build itself. So this is the title of the post. Okay, do not click me. Um, Same. Do not click me everywhere. Do not click me. Please do not click me, please. Um, we don't. Well, I guess this is only for. Yeah, this is. I get it. I get it now. So all this information from here that we have at menu item is just for the moderator role. That's why we have for user type. So this is something that the moderator of the Reddit um, the Reddit community have to go through the first time to be able to install. So don't click me. So to me, this is more like install app, right? Um, Create post is like you are a bad guy. Yes. So once we go through this process, the community will have the application on the list. I'm not sure if this is like a real time. Let me refresh. Maybe, maybe not. I don't think so. Yes. Oh, wait. It is, but not for the post entry like this one, which is old. So let me click again. Install. Oh, you're a bad guy. Don't click me. Launch app. Do not click me. Okay. You see, this is like a psychological game. Let me add some warning emojis. Yeah, exactly. Uh, don't click me in. This is the title. Um, what else? Where else? Do not click me. Do not click me. Let me copy. Save. I see. You can see here that it is redeploying like hot reloading. Let's go to the community again. Let's click on install app. Oh wait. Okay, uploading new version. So I have to wait. It's not that fast. It is not like hot reloading actually. It is like compiling all the stuff, creating like distribution, I guess. Let me check. So sometimes I'm just guessing. A lot of things that have been saying is just guessing, just in case I'm correct. I am incorrect. So well, I don't see like okay, yeah, here you have all the built JavaScript, the mapping. So it's not like hot reloading, but it is a process like a watchdog. On any change, it will start redeploying, rebuilding everything. So again, don't click me. Install app. Oh yeah, do not click me. Launch app. Do not click me. Great. So here we are. We already have all the basic stuff, the boilerplate. We're using the repo that Paul created for us. So now we have to work on the code itself. Why we have people online? Okay. Not sure, but it's okay. Let me close this again. Going through the game. Um, please generate a prompt with the do not click me. No, this is not okay. This is because I'm reuse. Okay, no. It is okay. Let me check. Sorry, because I'm seeing here that Reddit all out. I don't want the user logging or anything related, but I guess it is internal way to use the library from Reddit to get the information from the user, but it's not like about asking the user to log in because he is already logged in. So when the user clicks the button, plays a chaotic effects, random meme sounds. Yes, I like it. Why did you click? You had one job. Welcome to the wall of shame. Add the Reddit username to the wall of chain with username times and number of clicks. Random funny title like clickaholic, okay, etc. Data storage this is not correct as we saw before. There is a key value table database. So this is the keyword component and this is the app. This is the game. I don't wanna I don't want to remove the current code. I know this is not the best practice, but I really want to have this code to be able to see as example. I don't understand why they are extracting this subreddit name. It seems like this is not required. Please visit subreddit name to play the game with network functionality. Remember to create a post from the three dots beside the mod. Yeah, host name. Hmm. Enter fetch API check. So okay, let me check this file because looks like we have all like a database information in server. Okay, I guess this again. I guess David is like a part of the SDK for Reddit itself, so it's calling the API. In it is getting the post ID and the Redis engine must be logged. Guess is required. If not, I guess. Okay, I got it now. So this is where it's checking if the word it is on the table. tsconfig, nothing special, just the TypeScript configuration, core post, post config. Okay, yes. So guessing from what I see on the code, this is like on the table from multiple communities, I guess, with each post, or maybe or the server belongs to the community. But at the end, we have a list of posts. So on this database of Redis, we are storing each post, and also we have this word database, which is matching, which must match with the Reddit applications. We don't need none of these, so that's okay. Um, hmm, how can I start this? We don't need database for my example, but Um, okay, let's create a new file just like game tsx called. With this, what I'm looking is to isolate the code called do not click. Oh, sorry, do not click tsx. Okay, we'll create a new file called dnc tsx. Do not click, similar to game, will be component that fits do not click with some playful interactions. Okay, it is funny because I never asked for these messages, and Bolt is already making everything. This is so good. Sometimes it's not what you're looking for, but and then you have to spend a few tokens. Actually, I don't have tokens. I have to reload. I will be reloading more tokens because we still need to make. As I say before, we are just working with simple ideas, but we will be going through more complex and interesting ideas while the time pass. Um, okay, looks like the command just stop. So game DNC. Okay, wait, because now we need to import DNC rather than the game. But just wanted to check if for some reason, yeah, it's not here. DNC is missing the CSS, but that's okay. Um, let's create the DNC CSS and integrate DNC TSX into main app. Wait, this is the same path? Yes, it is. Okay, it looks like he created, I don't remember this strict mode before, but that's okay. Let's see how it goes. npm round dev. Okay, the build start. Let's wait Build is ready. Let's go to Reddit now again. Let's go click on the three dots and install app. Launch app. No, it's not ready. We have to wait. Okay, when the build is ready, we have to wait to the upload. App is building remotely. Oh, okay, so it wants to build locally, upload, and then they're gonna build remotely. I want to click here again. Oh, we don't need to be installing. So warning, do not click the button. I told you to not click me. The button is right there, but you shouldn't click it. Okay, that's it. So dumb. The button is and the button move. Come on, Bolt. I'm trying to click and yeah, I'm telling your mom. I'm telling your mom. He's moving away. I would like to move it faster, so that's like the challenge actually. Okay, let's ask for the funny thing because this is not giving the effect that I'm expecting. I really want this to boom boom boom. Let's click. Build a funny okay. Main screen, new new requirements. Display a huge button labeled don't click me. Alright, ready to login, use ready to log login, get the ready username, what user clicks, place yes, yes, yes. Um, keep also current phrases. Yes, wall of chain page, public leaderboard, data storage. No, I'm not saying that. Okay. I, at at the beginning, I was thinking just on click on selecting DNC, TSX, and CSS, but as I need other things like the Wall of Fame, I didn't target those specific files. And the good thing is, yeah, exactly. He is creating right now the server, adding user click when the user clicks to the database to be able to store the clicks per user for the wall of chain. So it's calling the endpoint API user, right? We also have the API wall of chain to get all the entries per user clicks for the chain and the init. Oh, this is the real, yeah, good things from both original game endpoints. Keep import compatibility, not required. I'm not cleaning this right now. I should, but I'm not. Okay, Okay, it's creating the client, which is like the module. I guess when you let's see what he create could not resolve a well wall of chain. That's okay. Let's see because it is yeah. Right now it's failing because while Bolt is still creating the files, the watchdog is building the application. So some files are missing because they are not really ready. Okay. So how is going? How is going the hackathon? Is everybody just like me, like crazy, coding 24 hours per day? Or how is going? What do you have in mind? We are, I think, 2 weeks away from the final date. Well, yes, we're still just starting the engines. This is just beginning. The next application that we are building will be so robust. You will see. I will transform your DNC app into an epic meme-filled chaos machine with Reddit out sound effects and wall of shame. I really love when Bolt gives an answer because it is always sounds like with passion. It's not like a just a simple software requirement specification. It's a really like, yes, I'm gonna build this for you, this crazy stuff like this maximum chaos effects wall of chain. Uh, I would like to keep a list of people who doesn't click on the button, but also because you can get into register like register. Yes, yeah, that's it because you can open the application and just don't click and keep the computer open. um, so that's not fair. So I would like to track if the mouse is moving and you don't click, store how much time have you been viewing the application without clicking the button. Let's add support for that. We also want to add support to track those winners who doesn't click the button, but also tracking the time seeing the button without temptation to click on it. Only store the time if the mouse is moving. Create a wall of winners. Yes, because that's the thing. I mean, a feature to track user who resist the temptation. This will track mouse movement time without clicking and create a leaderboard for the strong-willed. Who is the strong-willed person to resist the temptation of clicking the do not click button? Awesome. Let's wait. Okay. Wolf winners, the leaderboard. Do you imagine how much time could you take to build this by yourself 1 year ago? 1 year ago, 1 year ago, this will be like weeks of working. Maybe being honest, more than weeks, because for example, I don't have experience working on Reddit application. This is my first time, and it is going pretty well. But without a tool like Bolt, I would be like searching for documentation, looking for how to access to like a database, looking for how make this work. And also without this, I'm sorry, without this repository won't be a way to build this honestly. Because looks like there is so much work done before on this repo that otherwise would be like impossible to build this. Well, maybe not for Bolt, but I guess there is so many configuration behind, so that's that's something that really great, because otherwise I believe will be very difficult even using Bolt or any AI technology to complete the product. Okay, this file grow too much. So on this kind of specific case, I prefer to ask Bolt to split the file into several smaller files. But I saw that there is like a setting in which you can just ask to show like the diff changes, so you won't be required to change all the file, just the specific lines. Okay, all checks pass, starting development server. So it's building the client. So users have now two paths: path of chaos or path of discipline. Resistance level, self-control student, temptation slayer, resistance champion, discipline master, willpower emperor. Who are you on this game? Who are you? This is getting so funny, honestly. I wanna take a screenshot of this. Okay, so application has been built. Just wait to upload and remote deployment. App is building remotely. Okay, okay, app is building remotely, so it's ready. We don't need to reinstall the application. Okay, user, this is my username. Do not click. Um, to not click me. I will be, if I am an anonymous user, like, yes, I'm the developer, so I know what's happening. But if I am just like other user, I will be like, do not click me. Why? Serious consequence await. Why? Resisting for 9 seconds. Keep your willpower strong. Yeah, right, because you need to move. Because and that's something that I thought it is really required, because otherwise you will be like, okay, let's keep the application open and go to do something else, and then you will be a champion. But it's not like that. You have to be moving, and by moving you are thinking. One bug that I see here is buttons are like over everything, so I don't like it. I would like to see the winners, total winners, fail to get a wall of winners. So here's where hard things came, because I was expecting to have like the log error bolt, but we don't have it. So okay, back to chaos. I want to click here. Chaos, chaos, chaos. Don't click me. Chaos, unleash. I'm telling your mom. Um, I don't want to show clicks. This is like warning the user how many clicks he did. So let's remove that. Oh, we have in the console. The thing is, there is a delay. That's the thing. So in the past, I will be like, okay, this is the error. So we have a string argument must be a type string or an instance, but receive undefined. So no, no, just attempt to fix. That's it. I'm telling your mom. Let's close this. Meantime, just let's see um who is the who are the contributors to this. Edgar Neto, Marcus Wood, and Cesar Span. Pull request, update the README. Okay, 3 weeks ago. This is completely new. Working pretty well. Good job, guys. This is working really good. Okay, he did the fixes using get and set operations only. Okay, limiting the records to 100. Come, Misty. Come, Misty, Misty, Misty. I'm gonna show you my little cat. Say hi, Misty. Hello, Misty. What's your name? Oh, my name is Misty. Meow. Oh, I'm back. Okay. Huh? Okay. Um, I believe the server is like a real time because it's not changing anything, like deploying. So let's see. Okay. Um, fail again. So, but I believe it's not. It is because it's not really deploying anything. So I wanna kill this and run dev again. No, there is something happening. But I still waiting for the build. So let me check for the package comments. Build client, deploy. Where is the server? How does this work? Dev all. Oh, build start transforming. So yeah, this takes time. Sorry for my desperation. Um, this is not that fast. So let's wait. I just have 9% battery, so I'm gonna look for the charger. We'll be back. Okay, build. I'm back. Hello. So build is ready, but it's missing for deployment, uploading and remotely deploy. There is like error here, but not sure if this is like crashing the deploy or not. So Let me search for the wall of winners. Yes, we can have two. Oh, yeah. Let me copy paste. Um, ask Bolt this specific line. Okay, we need to restart the. We have to wait for the compilation. Here it goes. Code build started transforming. Okay, exactly. That was the issue. Okay, I believe that's ready. Okay, let's check. Yes, awesome. This is working now. Um, back to chaos. Sorry. Winners. Awesome. Um, I would suppose that I will be converted into a winner. Okay, let's keep moving. Keep your willpower strong. Move your mouse to track resistance time. Okay, no winners yet. To be the first to resist. No winners. Okay. Mm, okay, diamond. Hard willpower. Don't click me. I feel like we have to tempt more the user, right? Because right now I'm feeling bored. So if I close, I guess the winner event is tracked because I'm not seeing like an update on the winners table. So I guess the reason is because um, this doesn't. No, no, there is an error definitely. Let's see, because there is an error. Um, looks like there is no add user resistance. Yeah, actually, I believe it is calling add user resistant, but it's not being shown. Maybe let's click on the button to see if it is tracking the chain. Okay, back to chaos. Okay, chaos unleash. Wall of chain, one shimmer. For total 4 clicks. I'm okay. Mischief manager. Oh, reset. No, reset. Why reset? I don't want to have a reset. Okay, it's not really resetting the thing. Winners. Okay, yeah. We have to check what's the logic behind to make someone winner. First of all, I want to change some things. Um, okay, one. I want um the home to be a mess, like buttons moving around the screen. Two, looks like the tracking of winner is not really working. No one is shown on the wall of winners. What else? Okay, when clicking on the button, I want to show flashing the screen like white to red, etc. Playing sounds indefinitely. And for oh, indefinitely. And for make the app full screen. Okay, it is updating. Hmm. So much code. Um, when coding things like a simple application like having forms, databases, lists, tables, validation, that's common stuff, but and that's easy. But working with things related to X, Y, positions, index, that kind like we can see right now in the code, that kind of coding is different. Is it requires so much attention to detail, so much testing. The value here is huge because there is so much code here right now regarding to that without effort. I mean, this honestly, how much time has passed? Just like a 1 hour, and we're still here doing this just for fun, and everything is going pretty well without real bugs, without real blockers. If this were like a stand-up meeting, I would be like a no blockers from now. Since I met AI and Bolt, no blockers, literally. So okay, it's building, uploading, it's still uploading. Um, it is building remotely and installing. It's ready. We can click directly here. Don't click me. All right, don't click me. I asked to be full screen, but I'm not sure if that's enabled. Let's see. Nah, yeah, I was expecting that. Okay, yeah, it is moving. Um, okay, it's moving. My resistance level is growing. Extreme warning, do not click the button below. Diamond Heart Willpower, unlock, but I'm clicking. Oh, yeah, you can hear this, right? Seriously, stop clicking. Okay, I believe we have a bug because the button is not anymore. Yeah, um, that's okay. Somebody is testing my application. Self-control student. Okay, remove reset chaos. Chaos. Come on, Spanish. Chaos. I'm not getting why we need a reset. Why we need a reset? We don't want to reset anything. It's like give him second chance kind of stuff. Um, yeah. Okay. So, one, all buttons in the UI must be moving. I don't want the reset button. If the user clicks keep showing um hmm, let me think. So I click, oh yeah, if the user clicks, wait 10 seconds and ask him her for a second chance. If no click, keep sounds on. Um, there is a bug related to the GIF are not shown, but I think that may be related to let's take a look to the code because I guess this is like a kind of sandbox environment. So maybe to use images, we have to upload the images here in assets or base 64. Mm-hmm. I have another idea for the other day. I wanna That's gonna be fun as well. Come on, guys, why I'm doing useless stuff? That's not my type. Everything I build makes money or makes something good to humanity. But doing stuff for useless, meaning not my style, but for some reason, it's like him, it's like me. Mm, so, mm, today I'm gonna go to the cinema in a few hours. Um, I'm I'm going to see. Let me check what's the name of the movie. The movie of Dragon. How to Train Your Dragon. Is that correct? Let me check. Dragon. Yeah. How to Train Your Dragon. Let me think. We could even give a prize like to the winner of this leaderboard. Maybe $100. Maybe. That's. What do you think, guys? Would you like to make this like a competition? Yes, my computer is old, so it's taking a lot of time and memory to stream and work on this. Actually, I had to remove the um I don't remember like there is a setting on Chrome regarding to using maybe like graphics, special graphics. So I had to remove that option because streaming wasn't allowing me to share the Chrome with that setting on. Okay, app is building remotely. It's ready. Let's click. Mm-hmm. Loading. Launch app. Do not click me. Okay, yeah, that's better. Everything is like ooh, ooh, ooh. Do not click me, do not click me, do not click me. Um, this is so funny, honestly. I wanna click. Yeah, chaos, chaos unleashed. Second chance. You click the forbidden button. 10 remaining, 6 force. Yes, give me another chance. Um, yes, but the chance I don't want to be resetting. So, oh, okay. I don't want to reset the clicks even a second chance. Always keep the counter of clicks per user so we can keep the wall of shame filled. Okay, we are close to end this streaming. Everything's went pretty well, really pretty awesome. The Reddit application, useless Reddit application is it's almost done. I just need to figure out. Well, honestly, no, I just need to upload the assets. Um, and that's it. Yeah, I just need to upload the assets into Bolt. Um, and that's it because it's already published. So yeah, let's keep playing a little bit more. But yeah, we are ending the streaming very soon. So I don't want the click even the click. I don't want to reset the click reset. There is a bug here. Reset the counter. Oh yeah, the click counter. On a second chance, always keep the counter store click per user so we can keep the wall of shame filled. Um, let's go to check why the GIF are not working. Okay, this is the loader. So I guess it's working, but okay, this is not working. Yes, this is, oh, two, yes. Loading GIF. Let me check how they are working on meaning of the path. Oh, oh, great. So there is like, it's very simple. Okay, it is already configured to use the folder, I guess. So by now, let's use um, replace. Okay, one, two, download the files and replace the base 64 with the file name. Let's see if that's possible. I don't know if that's possible. Otherwise, I will be downloading from the terminal using core the file. Oh, client assets. Well, we already have the assets, so this is not good. I'm checking if there is a setting regarding to the assets folder. Hmm. No, that's okay. The thing, oh, why this is updating? Okay, yeah, yeah, because I asked the number step number one. But I get the solution pretty much is like uploading the images here in assets and just using the file name directly. I don't see any related to that. He did create the directory assets, but it's empty. So let's see for the path because hmm okay, assets. Nah, this is not correct. This can be correct. hmm So I think we have to go to the gift. You are my star. Let me try this one. Just a sample. Yes, actually, okay. I'm out of tokens, but that's okay. That's okay. I will start refilling my account. I have been spending so much money, but in that's good because even I guess I've been spending like a 3K, maybe 5K. I have to check the bank accounts from, but this is from different accounts because I work with Bolt. I use Bolt in different companies and projects. So in total, I have been spending pretty much between 3 to 5K. But that is awesome because if I compare the cost of hiring my own teams, as you know, I have several factories, development software factories with hundreds employees. But if I replace that with a custom development team, the price of a development team in Latam around 25K per month, maybe the half depending of the requirements and needs of the client, but it is around 25K. So if 25K is a team of five different roles and resources, but you can do the same thing, the same result. You can get this to the same result with 5K. This is a huge difference. So I'm really happy. I don't care to be paying more tokens. So I will do it. So far, I believe we are getting into the end. Just just less try the application one more last time. I will be updating the GIF by myself later. Oh, checking for updates done, checking for existing installation done. We have to wait. I'm looking to see, oh yeah, right here. So, last demo, hopefully is not crash because I just did a change on the GIF. So let's see what happens. Launch app, do not click me. The first signal that you are going through the wrong way is clicking on the button. Now you have a second chance to not click. So you can keep reading. Um, that's it. Resisting for 4 seconds. Resisting for 5 seconds. Do not click me. Okay, maybe, maybe not, maybe yes. Okay, you are doing it. Thank you. 10 seconds. There is a wall of winners. There is a wall of change. No click so far. But I'm gonna click. Yeah, that's it. That's actually the GIF. So the GIF are working, but that's a loader GIF. I don't know why we have a loader GIF. Chaos Unleashed. I don't want a second chance. Sorry, but no thanks. Goodbye. That's it, guys. I don't want a second chance. No more. See you.